Hi students, in this video we will learn what is an AP, what is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, okay, AP. Now I will write a list of number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now can you tell me the next two numbers here? Of course the next two numbers would be 30 and 35, isn't it? You can tell that easily because each number, the second number, how are we getting the second number? If we add 5 to the first number, isn't it? Now how are we getting the third number? If we add 5 to the second number, isn't it? How are we getting this 20? If we add 5 to 15, isn't it? And so on. So in this list, each term or each number is obtained by adding a fixed number, that is 5, to the preceding number, isn't it? Okay. Now let me write another series or another list of numbers 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Okay, now you tell me the next two numbers here. Of course the next two numbers would be 19 and 21, isn't it? How can you tell that? We can tell that because we are getting 9 if we add 2 to 7, isn't it? And we are getting 11 if we add 2 to the preceding one, that is 9. If we add 2 to 9, we are getting 11, isn't it? How are we getting 13 if we add 2 to 11, isn't it? And so on. Alright, the pattern is continuing. Okay, so these two lists of numbers is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number, isn't it? In the first one, the fixed number was 5. In the second one, the fixed number was 2, isn't it? So such series are called as arithmetic progressions. Such list of numbers is called as arithmetic progressions. Okay. Now what is an arithmetic progression? I have definition here. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding one. Okay. Of course, except the first term. Alright. Let me give you a few examples. Like we have 50, 100, 150, 200 and so on. Okay, now is this an AP or not? Yes, it's an AP because if we add 50 to the first number we are getting 100, isn't it? If we add 50 to the second number we are getting 150, the third number. If we add 50 to the third number we are getting the fourth number, that is 200, isn't it? So what is the fixed term we are adding here? It is 50, isn't it? All right, so this is an AP. Okay, now let me write one more AP. 100, 90, 80, 70 and so on. This is also an AP, isn't it? Why? To the first term, if we add minus 10 or subtract 10, we'll get 90, isn't it? To 90, if we add minus 10, we'll get 80. To 80, if we add minus 10, we'll get 70, isn't it? And so on. So what is the fixed term we are adding here? Minus 10, or we can say subtracting 10. Okay, adding minus 10 is same as subtracting 10. Okay, both are same. All right, so these two progressions or this two list of numbers will form arithmetic progression, isn't it? All right. Now, let me take few more examples. Let me write few more lists and you decide whether they are AP or not. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Very easy example, isn't it? So, is this forming an AP? How should we check? We should take the second term, that is 4. We should subtract by the first term. Okay. So, if the first term is A1, second term is A2, third one is A3, A4, A5, and so on. A2 minus A1 is 4 minus 2, it will give us 2, isn't it? A3 minus A2, 6 minus 4 will give us 2. A4 minus A3 is 8 minus 6, it will give us 2, isn't it? So the difference is same here. Alright, that means difference is same. Okay, if the difference is same, the list is in AP. Okay, the list will be in AP. Alright, now what is this difference called as? The difference is same, that means the difference is common, isn't it? So it is called as common difference. Alright, and it is denoted by D. So what is the common difference in this AP? Common difference is 2. Alright, now let us take one more AP. Let me write 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, and so on. Okay, now this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, isn't it? Now what is common difference in this? Let us find out. Second term minus first term, isn't it? That means 95 minus 100. Don't do 100 minus 95. It is 95 minus 100. It will give us minus 5. A3 minus A2 will give us 90 minus 95. That is also minus 5. A4 minus A3, 85 minus 90, again minus 5. A5 minus A4, 80 minus 85, again minus 5. Okay, so the difference is same here, isn't it? Okay, so what is the difference? What is common difference? Common difference D is equal to minus 5 here, isn't it? Okay, let us write one more series. Let us write 10, 10, 10, 10, and so on. Now, is this list an AP? Let us find out. A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. Alright, so A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term will give us 0. Third term minus second term, A3 minus A2, will give us 10 minus 10, again 0. A4 minus A3 will again give us 10 minus 10, 0. Okay, so the difference is same now, isn't it? Which is 0. So common difference D is equal to how much? 0 here, isn't it? So we took 3 series. Alright, we took 3 examples in which the common difference was 2, that is plus 2, and negative, that is minus 5, and 0. Okay, now from this we learned that common difference D can be a positive number, it can be a negative number, or it can be 0 also, isn't it? Alright, so I hope the video was helpful. Okay, So in this video we learned what is an AP, and we looked few examples, isn't it? And common difference, what is common difference, and we also learned that common difference can be positive, negative, and it can also be zero, isn't it?